Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the tricks in MySQL Workbench. One thing that you need to know on MySQL Workbench is that until I discovered that, I didn't even know that there's such a tool. So it is able to do what we call reverse engineering and then forward engineering. So, for example, I had this database, RMSDB. What did I do? How did I create this table? I just put in SQL codes in here. Okay, so maybe you're not seeing this, but I'm just going to create a new table called grades 2. So this is my code, alright, generated from a forward engineered database. So let's say I want to modify a model, an existing model with a certain predefined fields, columns, data types. So I get rid of this unique index thing, which is actually local, specific to the particular environment. So if I execute this, I get an error. Okay, but it's not a big deal. It can be dealt with. It's a duplicate key. You see, so here, because I've copied, then I need to really work at it, more. But that's how easy it is to create a new database, and you get a feedback. All right, so I'm not going to do this. I just want to talk about other things that you could do. For example, you could just insert new data and apply. Okay, let me just reverse engineer. I'm going to generate a model from this database. So database reverse engineer. Then you get this interface. I don't know if you've seen it. Recording with Xbox sometimes doesn't always work, but let's see how the model is generated. Just like that. Boom. And next. Literally, and there you go. We have a module. Okay. So we have the diagram, ER diagram. Okay. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's just nice. I love it. If you want to change things from a particular table, you could do that. Forward engineer it, that kind of thing, and then get a table back, the modified version of it. So if I go to edit grades, then that gives me the opportunity to add new columns to the table. Okay, new attribute. If you want to look at the schema, relational algebra, but we're not going there. Just look at columns. So let me end it here. To be continued. I'll talk more about MySQL.